Hello, I'm Dr. Warren Bruhl. Today we're going to be talking to you about structural subluxation. It's important to understand that subluxation is a spinal misalignment of the spinal column that causes nerve interference. It's the cause of many of the unwanted health conditions that people suffer with every single day. Not only does it cause pain in the spine at times, but it also can cause organ dysfunction in the body. In children, it can cause immune system problems, ear infections, asthma. It causes headaches in people, and it can cause a great deal of suffering in people's bodies every single day. Structural subluxation is the type of subluxation that we can actually see on an x-ray. When we look at the x-ray, the spine should have a certain appearance and alignment, and when we look at it and we see structural subluxation, that appearance and alignment is changed sometimes rather dramatically. Structural subluxation is caused by the 3 T's: traumas, toxins, and thoughts. Traumas, toxins, and thoughts. One of the most common traumas that causes a structural subluxation is an automobile accident. When someone is rear-ended 20, 30, 40, 50 miles per hour, hundreds of pounds of force can be exerted into the cervical spine, causing a subluxation to occur. In a few moments, we're going to show you an example of a structural subluxation. We're now looking at an example of structural subluxation of the cervical spine. The cervical spine is the neck area. In the example on the right, we see a normal cervical spine right here. There's normally supposed to be a 60-degree arch in the spine. In the example on the left, this is a structural subluxation. You can see how it's straight up and down. This is an example of a patient who was in an automobile accident where the head was twisted forward and backward rather quickly and suddenly as the car hit the vehicle from behind, sending hundreds of pounds of force into the cervical spine. There is damage occurring to the spinal cord and to the spinal nerves in this example. This is following correction on the right side after corrective adjustments and corrective exercise. To review what we've learned then, structural subluxation is a type of subluxation that you can see on an x-ray. It's when the spine is misaligned, and you can actually see that on the x-ray, or sometimes you can see it in a patient's posture as well. It causes nerve damage, it causes health problems to the body, and subluxation is the condition that is corrected by chiropractic care.